Hello, my name is Gérardine Goh Escolar. I'm Adjunct Associate Professor of Law at the National University of Singapore. Today, I will speak about the sources of international space law. Robert Frost wrote, "Something there is that doesn't love a wall." But he acknowledged, good fences make good neighbors. More so, I would venture, when spaces are shared and walls must be intangible. Peaceful access to outer space, a global commons shared by humanity, is possible only within a shared framework of rules. This framework, created and negotiated and applied by the actors and stakeholders involved, is international space law. How is international space law formed, and where can its main rules and principles be found? Today, I will discuss the sources of international space law.